Good morning everyone. So I got up at 6 and now it's 6:30 and I have come for walking. So I'll walk for at least 40 to 45 minutes and we'll meet you then. So it's almost 7:30 now and I have walked for about 43 to 43 minutes, yeah. And you can see the sun coming out and also the roads have become busier and yeah, so I can say that a good start to a day. So it's almost 8 now and I took a break of 30 minutes before I start my yoga session while having my morning drink, that is warm water. Please write to me in the comment section if you are a late riser or a morning person. I don't consider myself as a morning person yet because it's only 20 out of 30 days in a month that I manage myself to get up and just do some minimal workouts and start my day like that. But since September I have been trying a lot to work on this particular thing and make things work, and I really believe that is never too late. So I shall meet you after my yoga session. Guys, so it's 1:30 now and I was talking to some household chores and also some official work, so didn't shoot anything. So now I'm going to have my lunch. So let's see what's in my lunch platter today. So having a simple lunch for today, I've got parathas, some chickpea curry and some chutney made with gur. Hi guys, so I just came back home an hour before and it's really been a very long day for me. But yeah, I completed a lot of things that I had planned to do. Uh, so yeah, satisfied. About shopping, this year Durga Puja shopping is a lot different from what it used to be in other years because I really bought nothing separately for Shoptami, Ashtami or Navami like what I used to do. Indeed, I bought things which I really need at this point of time, and I think I'm done. Like I don't means I don't need things now more. And I also went for checking my power and I'm doing pretty good with my eyes, touch it. And also I ordered 2 specs, actually buy one get one free, so that's a good thing. And so before I end this video, I want to tell you a very few things. A lot of my friends have been asking me like what are you following, like about your diet, are you on a diet plan, or what are the exercises you are doing, are you doing a lot of intense exercises. And uh, I'm really thankful to all of them because all these motivate me to do better every single day. But honestly, I don't follow any kind of diet plan, and also I'm not into a very strict exercise routine. Like at most I work for 40 to 45 minutes. I manage myself to do that. um, and Of course that's better if you can do it in the morning, because like your stomach is almost empty and it helps to burn your calories. And of course morning walk has multiple advantages, I don't have to speak on that separately. And about exercise, I really do very simple stretches and very pranayams, and that makes me feel healthy. Nothing like I am on huge squats and like planks, I really don't do. And I'm not hard, I'm not someone who is very hard on myself about losing weight. Yeah, I want to lose weight, I want to have a shape that I have imagined for myself, but like nothing that is so rapid. It never comes in a glow, because it's never like that I have planned it for 6 months and I'll achieve it in 6 months and just I'm done. It's never like that. Instead, I plan to have these all through my life. I plan to have foods which I can have all through my life. So I'm not someone who can feed on like broccoli or like egg whites always. I love to taste food. I love to taste multiple cuisines. I'm a very intense food lover, you can say. About my diet, I just changed a very few things. Like I'm a typical Bengali, so I can think of discarding all kind of carbs, especially rice, from my diet. So I have rice as I showed you in my dinner platter, but yeah, I control the proportions of rice that I take now as compared to what I used to take years before or an year before. And I have tried to include veggies, a lot of salads, protein, fiber content I have increased. Also, I make sure that my gut is clear, and of course, I make sure that I drink at least 8 liters. 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. I make sure that I stay hydrated. And I was someone that who used to forget that a person needs to drink even water, because I never used to feel thirsty. I don't know why. I think that the amount of water content in my body was huge, so maybe that was the reason. I don't know, but I was someone who never felt the importance or the need of drinking water. Even though I used to sweat a lot, even now I sweat a lot more than normal human being, I think. So anyway, but now it's a routine. It's a kind of a thing that you will decide for yourself. If you decide that you will drink 8 to 10 glasses of water, you can drink, and this will gradually be in your own, that will be set in your body, means your body will need that eventually. So it's nothing like forcibly you have to do. And don't pick up things just once in a while, from tomorrow I'm going to leave everything, like I'm going to discard every kind of carbohydrate content from my diet. That's not the process. Just start a few things. Start means just believing getting better slowly with every passing day, and that's what make you strong in a long process. So that's all for today. Some things are yet left to be completed for today, and I am feeling tired, of course. So if you have liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also write to me if I should post more on my daily routine, my morning routine, evening routine, and like if you like this kind of videos, or if you like just recipes, or please write to me, then it would be easier for me. And also, before I end this, pardon me for the video quality or the kind of editing. I'm not someone very professional in this field, but obviously I'll try. And honestly, at this point of time now, I don't have enough time to to give a lot to this, so I just keep it raw, simple, and I just shoot and accumulate and place it to you. Just there is nothing means there is like nothing scripted or nothing like that, or nothing very professional, cinematic or something else. So please pardon me for that, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, and also don't forget to hit the bell button so that if I post something here, it reaches to you first. Till then, bye bye, take care and good night. So that's all for today. Some things are yet left to be completed for today, and I am feeling tired, of course. So if you have liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also write to me if I should post more on my daily routine, my morning routine, evening routine, and like if you like this kind of videos, or if you like just recipes, or please write to me, then it would be easier for me. And also, before I end this, pardon me for the video quality or the kind of editing. I'm not someone very professional in this field, but obviously I'll try. And honestly, at this point of time now, I don't have enough time to to give a lot to this, so I just keep it raw, simple, and I just shoot and accumulate and place it to you. Just there is nothing means there is like nothing scripted or nothing like that, or nothing very professional, cinematic or something else. So please pardon me for that, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, and also don't forget to hit the bell button so that if I post something here, it reaches to you first. Till then, bye bye, take care and good night.